Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure prerequisites are satisfied: branch protections, reviewers, and a clean working tree. First, fetch origin and check out the branch you will merge into. This keeps you synchronized. Then create or update your feature branch. Use a clear name like feature/issue 123 so reviewers know context. Once done, run git status and git pull rebase if you need a linear history. This reduces merge conflicts later, so make sure to resolve any immediate issues before continuing. Next, you reconcile differences by rebasing your feature onto the target branch or merging target into feature if your team prefers. This is where conflicts appear, so address them thoughtfully. Run your tests and linters locally or trigger the Azure DevOps pipeline to validate changes. This prevents broken builds. Once green, push the updated branch and create a pull request. In the PR description, explain the what and why. Tag required reviewers and attach screenshots or links for easier review, helping reviewers approve faster. To finish, use Azure DevOps to complete the pull request, selecting the merge strategy your team requires, merge, squash, or rebase, and confirm any required policies. After merge, wait for the target pipeline to succeed, then pull the updated target branch locally to stay in sync. If something goes wrong, like a failing pipeline or regression, revert the merge or create a hotfix branch and cherry-pick the fix. This isolates the problem. One key troubleshooting tip: check pipeline logs for the first failing step. That diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.